Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your language proficiency with Rosetta Stone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your language proficiency in Rosetta Stone, start by launching the application. Log in to your Rosetta Stone account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home page. Locate the language course you wish to reset. Click on the course to open it. In the course dashboard, look for the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Select the Settings option from the menu. You will find an option labeled Reset Progress or Reset Language Level. Click on this option to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure about resetting your progress. Review the information provided in the prompt carefully. If you are certain, confirm the reset action. Wait a moment while the system processes your request. Once completed, you will receive a notification indicating that your progress has been reset. Return to the course dashboard to view your updated status. You can now start fresh and work through the language lessons again. Be sure to take advantage of the new features and resources available. Enjoy your language learning journey with a fresh perspective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.